Hope you all had a wonderful holiday. And to celebrate this holiday, I'll teach you guys how to make a quick first-person shooter, the basics of it, and we're going to go and shoot some turkeys. So I'm going to go ahead and color the stage. I'll do a nice 2 hills. Color it in. Color the sky. Make like a couple of clouds here and there. And the sun. Okay. So now we got that done, we're going to go ahead and make the turkey. I'm going to just make about 2 circles, kind of like a pear shape. There are his eyes, his beak, that little red thing that I forgot the name was, and then just like, I think I'll just make his wings a dark red and a dark orange. And then maybe do like part of a wing over here on the on his back. Press OK. Now that we have our turkey, go to customs, copy, edit the second one. We're gonna make it to where his wings are look like their wings, his flapping around. So highlight his wing section, and you just want to flip it. But you want to make sure you still have it. So, and then flip, and then drag it up there, and then press OK. So when we look at these, it looks like he's flapping his wings. And we're just gonna call him Turkey. And then we only need to make 2 more sprites after that. Go ahead and we're going to make the crosshairs similar to what we did with the zombie. The zombie tutorial. And if you haven't seen that yet, I'll put a link in a description below, and possibly an annotation at the beginning of this video. So there, we got that. And then we're just gonna call it red. Now we only need to make 1 more. This will be the gun. You want to zoom out all the way, because it's going to be first person-ish. Go through the line. Start about. You don't want to start it in the middle. Kind of like at a section on the bottom right. It's about like right here. You want to do the gun. About like that. You want to pick on the brown and do the part where you rest your hand or whatever it's called. And then just pick a lighter color to fill it in. Then press OK, and just drag it to right there. That's good, and we're basically done. Just go ahead and title it gun, and we'll just go ahead and put in the scripts, and we'll be finished. So go to control, and you want to pull out. You just want to pull out a forever loop for right now. Then you want to go to motion. You want to pull out glide 1 second to X and Y and put that in there. And this is going to be where the turkey will fly around. And we're going to go to pick random and place it in both of those. And we're going to have the turkey fly. You want to put negative 200 and then positive 200. Same with Y. Negative 200 and then positive 200. And what this will do is, if you take your mouse and you you know, have it go around on the screen, you'll see right here the coordinates of where the mouse is at, and this is just all the possible locations the turkey can go. So if I run this, you'll see that the turkey is flying everywhere. Go back to when flag is clicked, and we're going to make it to where the turkey will flap its wings forever. Looks. Switch to custom 2. Duplicate it. Make this custom 1. Then we're going to go to control. Wait 1 second. We're going to go back to operators. We're going to pick random again. And it's going to be from 1 second to 1/100th of a second. Duplicate it. You want to put the first custom on top, second custom underneath, to where it looks like this, and then place it in there. And so if we run both of these, the turkey will flap his wings at in between a second too. So it's just to add more realism. But really, it's not realism if the turkey's flying around like that. But I think you guys get the idea. And then we're going to do actually we're going to copy, edit, completely erase the turkey. Go to zoom out all the way, go to text, make the text size about 60, and just type in big letters, winner. And make it a bright yellow. Press OK. Switch it back to the turkey, and then so when we pull out the flag, we're going to pull out if and else. If touching the mouse pointer, and you want to go back, you want to pull out another if statement. So if touching mouse pointer, and if you actually click, and if you click on it, it's called mouse down. So if the mouse is down, we want it to switch to custom 3 and end the game. So stop all scripts. Okay. Let's this looks about good. And then if we click on the turkey, oh, my bad, we forgot to add a forever loop on this. There we go. And then we run it. So and then when I click the turkey, it screams runner. Okay, there we go. So your script should look like this. And so when we run it, and we do click on the turkey, right where the turkey dies, it will switch to custom 3, and it will say a winner. And then we're going to go to red dot, this, a forever loop, go to mouse pointer, that's all that you need to do, and gun, well, we don't need to code gun at all. And this is the game. You play it real quick, then you see the turkey, you shoot it, winner. Simple as that, very easy. and somewhat enjoyable. So please comment, like, and subscribe. I will post the next zombie tutorial as soon as possible. I am working on a couple things, such as I will add perks, and I will also add a mystery box to it too. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that also. Please leave a comment below for any ideas or any future things you want me to do. And thanks for watching.